Hey everyone, my name is Edwin Pineda and welcome to edwinpineda.net. Our topic today is how to invite your prospect to your network marketing business using this very simple phone call technique. I believe makakatulong to, especially kung newbie ka pa lang and pinag-aaralan mo pa yung negosyo, okay? Yung business mo. And this technique is also useful kung kahit datihan ka na. Okay? Pwede mo rin tong i-apply. And before we proceed, bibigyan ko muna kayo ng dalawang let's say pointers na pwede mong i-apply sa network marketing business mo. Yung unang-una is yung talk to more people. Okay? So talk to more people kasi para mas marami kang ma-expose sa business mo, and also mas malaki yung chance mo na meron kang na-invite as business partner or business associate, or meron kang makuha naman na product user. Okay? So, talk to more people. And second is don't say too much. Another one is don't say too much. So, importante naman to, especially kung nag-i-invite ka and magagamit mo to ito sa phone call technique na to. Okay? So, paano ba yung pagtawag? Okay? So, kung tatawag ka, isipin mo na busy ka and para meron kang atin ng meeting right away. Okay? So paano? Ganito sample. Hey Edward, medyo busy ako ngayon, may meeting pa ako ngayon, naisip kita, may sasabihin sana ako sa importante. Kailan ka ba pwede? Okay? So, pag sumagot siya, Tuesday, morning or afternoon. Okay? Pag sinabi niyang afternoon, okay, 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. Pag sinabi 5 p.m., okay, sulat mo na yan. Sige, Edward, kita tayo sa Tuesday at 5 p.m. Okay? Dito sa Makati. Okay? For example, kung Makati kung gusto mong, kung sa Makati kayo mas malapit magkita, or pwedeng sabihin mo kung saan lugar kayo pwedeng magkita na pwedeng malapit din sa company nyo, kung yun ang yun ang aim mo. Okay? So what if naman kung medyo hesitant yung kausap mo? Okay? Pag tinatanong na ano ba yan, anong company ba yan? O kaya sasabihin niya, anong gagawin natin diyan? Okay? So anong sasagot mo? Don't say too much. Wala kang sasabihin. Sabihin mo ganito, okay? Sige, Edward, kasi may meeting na kami, tatawagan ko uli kita, ha? Sige, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Ganun lang. Okay? So, ang kaganda ng technique na yun, maiwasan mo yung objection, and at the same time, para ka lang nag-i-schedule kung yung in-invite mo, kung kailan siya pa pwede. So, I hope na nakatulong sa yung technique na yun. And below this video is nakita kong link sa Yahoo na pwede tayong tumulong sa mga kababayan natin na nasalanta ng bagyong si Maring. Okay? And alam naman natin na maraming naapektuhan dito sa Manila and even in provinces. So, thank you for watching our video today, and I hope to see you again. Please also subscribe sa world course natin, nandyan sa sa right side. Okay? Left side ko yan. Nasa left side meron tayong pwede ka ma-subscribe dyan, world course series, para makatulong din sa home business mo yan. Okay? So, have a great day everyone. Thank you and bye-bye.